Hi, good afternoon. My name is Scott Blatnick. I'm the department chair at Rampart High School. I just wanted to share a little bit about our math department by the numbers. 12, that is the number of teachers that we have in our math department. 170, that's the years of teaching experience in our math department. So out of the 12 teachers, 170 years accumulation of teaching mathematics, whether it be at the high school level, the middle school level, or even at the collegiate level. 4 different types of programs. We offer the AP program, the IB program, the traditional program, and now we are on an online format called the River, which there'll be a section where you can go and find more about the River. 17 different math classes offered at Rampart, whether they be in the AP program, the IB program, traditional, and online. 200 peer tutors in the Math Access Center over the past 5 years. I will talk a little bit more about the Math Access Center, which will be abbreviated as the MAC, and why I think that this is a good program for students at all levels at Rampart. 8 of our own children in the math department have choiced into Rampart, including 2 of my daughters. One is a senior this year, one is a freshman, and we chose Rampart for many reasons. Our department philosophy is use problem-based lessons, collaborative student study teams, and spaced practice throughout our curriculum. The MAC, which is the Math Access Center, is a peer tutoring program offered during school hours. It is open every period of the day. We have upperclassmen that volunteer their time to help assist students in mathematics, whether it be a student brand new to Rampart in our entry-level math program or our calculus AB, BC students that come in just to get help. There's always a math teacher in there at the same time with the peer tutors. It is a very successful program, ongoing for 5 years now, and I think it separates us from a lot of other schools in Colorado Springs. We are also a very progressive school. We have a very supportive administration, and this year we implemented an accelerated math class where students that come into Rampart can take algebra, geometry in 1 year. We are traditionally a block schedule, so what it would look like is they would take algebra first semester, so they'd go to a math class every day, and then second semester they would take the geometry course and go to a math class every day. Then that could advance them or get them ahead in their mathematics. I think this is the greatest place to be. I've been teaching at Rampart for now 17 years. And like I said, I chose my own daughters into there. I love the student body. Our administrator is very supportive. Our math team is all about kids and learning, exciting. I hope you choose to be a Ram, and maybe we'll see your son or daughter walking the halls next year. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will direct those emails to the appropriate people in my department if I cannot answer them for you. Go Rams!